Yorme, alam mo, lagi mo na sa game mo lang. At ang tanong ko, next year po ba, ano po bang asahan natin sa Grand Copa de Manila?
Tatak mo!
Yung pasabog, baka pasabog kayo, Yorme. Yung pasabog mo.
Last call to play survey. Pero lang ako. Kasi in our own little way, as Citizen Isko, we will always continue to support the city government of Manila, the people, the racing industry, the sport, the horse owner. We're very proud of you. Kaya nga kami sa Manila, in our own little way, we reciprocate yung ginagawa ng Pilracom. So sabi mo mga batang Manila, mag-ingat kayo. Let's celebrate our day. This is the day that the Lord has made, no? For so many hundreds of years of existence, being the capital of the country, a window of opportunity for everyone. And ang wish ko ngayong araw ng Manila, sana lahat malusog kayo. At sana makamit ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap para sa inyong sarili at para sa inyong pamilya. Muli, congratulations to all of you.
Alright, maraming salamat, Yorme. Tandaan mo, ang dying inside to hold you. At next, mga Elisa, race number 7.